Hello everyone, my name is Jacob, and today we are going to discuss the chapter The Hack Driver from Your Footprints Without Feet book. The story is about a hack driver called Oliver Lutkins. He lived at New Mullion. He was an important witness in a court case. The law firm wrote many letters to him, but he did not appear before the court. The story revolves around how the law firm served the summon to Lutkins. After passing graduation, the narrator became a junior assistant clerk in a law firm. His duty was to serve summons to the people regarding the court cases. He had to visit the dirty corners of the city. He hated this unpleasant work. Once he was asked to go to New Mullion to serve summons to Oliver Lutkins. It was 40 miles away from that place. He reached there by train. He hired a hack at the rate of $2 per hour. The narrator told the hack driver that he wanted to see Oliver Lutkins. The hack driver himself was the same person whom the narrator was looking for, but he did not recognize him. The hack driver told him that his name was Bill or Magnuson, and everybody called him Bill. He told the narrator that Lutkins would be playing poker, a game in the back of Fritz's shop. They went there but could not find Lutkins there. Then they went to Gustav's shop. Fritz had told them that Lutkins had gone there for a shave. When they arrived there, they were informed that Lutkins had not come there. Later they went to Gray's shop, who told them that Lutkins had just gone away 5 minutes ago to the pool room. They reached the pool room. There they were told that Lutkins had come there, but he had just bought a packet of cigarettes and gone away. It was 1 p.m. by then. They were feeling hungry. Bill suggested to the narrator that they should enjoy their lunch on Wade's Hill. Bill got the lunch packed from his wife and they enjoyed it on the hilltop. While sitting on the hilltop, Bill talked about his town's people in detail. He talked about the minister's wife, the college students, and the lawyer's wife. The narrator came to know better about the town. Then they got down from the hilltop. Bill told the narrator that Lutkins would have gone to his mother's farmhouse 3 kilometers away in the north. He said that his mother was a terror. He narrated him his experience with Lutkins' mother. They reached there and inquired Lutkins' mother about his whereabouts. She ran after them with an iron rod in her hand, but anyhow they could manage to examine the whole house but could not find him there. It was nearly time for the narrator to catch the afternoon train, and Bill drove him to the station. On the way to the city, the narrator was worried very little over his failure to find Lutkins. He was busy thinking about Bill Magnuson. He was considering returning to New Mullion to practice law. When the narrator told the owner of the firm that he could not trace out Lutkins, he got very angry. They were badly in need of Lutkins the next morning. He asked the narrator to return to New Mullion immediately. He sent another person with the narrator who recognized Lutkins. When they arrived at New Mullion station, Bill was standing at the station near his carriage. The author recognized him as Bill Magnuson, but the other man said that it was Oliver Lutkins. The narrator was very much surprised, and then finally he served him the summons.